Here's a first look at the new 2013 KTM 250sx. This is just a rip snorting two-stroke motocross motorcycle. You can see it's got the new 2-bolt fender. It's a lot stiffer. Mud doesn't stick to it, doesn't droop down with the weight. It's got the graphite colored frame, bold new graphics. That's always expected, right? You can see V-force valves. The clutch has the new DDS clutch. It's got the screw-in fuel cap this year, replacing the much maligned twist-off cap. New Renthal bars, the 827 bar. It's got new suspension settings. And that is the first look. Don't that nice?